Hi, this is Emilee of Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here for Stamp With Us, an open collaboration that encourages us to use our rubber stamps. The host channels are Thelma Hall and Susan's Heartstrings. Today for stamping, I will be cleaning these stamps. They are thrifted stamps except for this flower, and I want to test out my homemade stamp cleaner. We will show a before and after of these very dirty stamps. We will put my homemade stamp cleaner recipe to the test. If you would like this recipe, at the end of this video, I will link to a short video where I share how to make this. First, I want to show you my completed specimen cards. I've been stamping for these, and I have had some fun completing them. I used acetate that I got at Scrap Mania. You may have seen my Scrap Mania haul earlier this week. I posted haul videos on Tuesday and Wednesday this week. This one was cut from a masterboard. I do masterboards with the open collaboration called Magical Masterboards. Here's another specimen card created from a masterboard. I cut these specimen cards out using a die set that I found on Amazon. I will link to it in the description. The die set came with tags and the fold-over specimen card die. It was really a fun die set. I'm so glad that I got it. This was a fun way to use stamps and bits and bobs that have been in my stash. So this cleaning tray, I've had these in my stash for a long time. It has directions here. It says add water and cleaner here, and then you keep this side dry. Let's try to clean Curious George first. This is a well-loved stamp. I just have a Dollar Tree spray bottle that I put my cleaner in. I want to thank Thelma, who gave me the idea to do this cleaning video. Being very honest, I'm not the best at cleaning my stamps. A lot of times you'll see me put them away without cleaning them, but every once in a while I get motivated, and in the case of these thrifted stamps, I wanted to see how well I could clean them up. And while that's not perfect, it is certainly a lot better than it was. At the end of the video, I will show a before and after photo of the dirty stamps and the clean stamps so you can really compare. There are a lot of stamp cleaners that you can purchase, but this one I feel like this recipe has just a touch of glycerin in it, and I think that really makes a nice little bit of a conditioning to the stamp, and there's a little bit of baby wash in it. Sometimes the stamp cleaners that you purchase they just have a kind of a chemical smell, and I'm like, how can that be good for your stamps? So here is the before and after that I promised. What do you think? Do you think it looks a lot better? I sure do. I feel better about them too. Keep on stamping, scrapping, and paper crafting.